Don't cry.
You should be with me. I feel comfortable with you.
Okay. And then this, you're like in the right.
I did the right side.
Wow, that's amazing.
Use two hands.
Like this, I do.
Yes.
Going good?
Yes. Relax and
I'm doing it so well.
and do it before it will land on your cheek.
Like, yeah, that's it.
Clean your pot first. Then just take water and pass once right, once left.
Oh, yeah. You're going the wrong way.
After that, you can use rubber catheter. Remember, before using rubber catheter, you have to clean your rubber catheter with same water, salt water, lukewarm salt water, and insert closed end. Insert closed end, and you can sit in any corner and do slowly, Sutraniti, and don't change your pot and catheter. You may exchange your disease. Remember, if you are sneezing, it's good sign that it's going very well.
I don't know if to do like this or like this.